What you doing there, Ken?
Prepping over here.
Kenny, what you doing now?
Leveling for the
Looks a little crooked though.
for the brackets. Level. Looks crooked.
So Rico, why should people buy Solarus awnings?
We're the best. Best in the business. There's no one as good as us. That's it. Bottom line.
Alright, Kenny, what's the deal with this hoods? What are you doing here? What is this?
I don't really know what this is for.
That's our competent workforce.
This is great stuff, man. Solid.
Okay, here we have a protective rain hood, best in the industry. This is made to prevent the rainwater from dripping down the side of the house. It pushes everything over onto the top of the awning and out away from the house.